Now, the error I have is that it is attempting to insert again, but it is inserting still again a blank space. Now, that blank space, it takes it as if it's a known variable. So the email address is repeating, you're adding something that already exists. So you can't enter the same thing twice because the email address is the primary key. So when you enter again, it becomes the same thing again, says no, we have an error. So it returns an error message. You can see nothing was added the second time. So let me delete this blank space because there are no files, to be quite honest. Check all. There are no rows. So let's go back here. Forget about this error. Let's go back here. Which this file? Let me change this a little bit. Let me put the insert. Let me change user. I'm gonna make it of type any. Call it user. So I'm not getting it from the interface now. I'm getting it directly from the HTML file. So let me go to my, and then check the action. So now I'm not using the interface I created to insert the files, but I'm getting it directly. Let me see now what will happen. See, null is returned. So let me go back here. So no value has been entered. Now let's go back to the code and double check what is causing that. Okay, because I've entered the wrong values here, so I need to put user here. So basically there are no values that it's getting. Basically I'm inserting something that is just not there. So let's go back again. Keep in mind that here it must have entered this something, the TTTT something. Yes, because this one has no problem. The one we're having a problem is this one at this point in time. So let's do it again. See, now it's success. It should be entered. Before it was displaying null because there were no values entered there. You see now, I have the email address. Oh, what did I put as a surname? Let me just double check. So there's something wrong with. Let me go to my API and just double check because it's entering the same thing twice. Yes, here. I should have put 7. So it puts the surname. My apologies about that. because now it is entering the same thing twice. It's putting name. Let me change the email address. Success. Browse should be 2 people now. Yes, you can see the second person. Surname is correct. There's nothing I put in the cell phone number. We'll add a little bit there. We can add multiple columns. So once I have that, and then perhaps I can even display a message here. Yeah, it won't accept anything. And correct email address. Registered successfully. Here it is. Done. So that's basically it. Saving our values into our database. So meaning we are using 2 things. What I want to do is you see the status has been displayed. How has it been displayed? Here is it here. Console.log data, which is the value that we had gotten. Now what I want to do is be able to display this message registered successfully based on success. Because what will happen now is that even if there's an error here, it will come here and say registered successfully. So we need to be able to check and see the message that we receive from here, from data. That message is success as indicated here. And then we are able to display that error message. Because if it's not, then we need to display that something went wrong, member not registered. We'll stop here for now.